Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mini Cooper brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. You'll also need new brake pads and a brake caliper compressor. Remember, safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment before starting any work on your vehicle. Now, let's get those old pads off. Begin by safely lifting your Mini Cooper and securing it with jack stands, then remove the wheel. Next, carefully unbolt the brake caliper and gently set it aside without straining the brake line. Once the caliper is out of the way, you can easily slide out the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. They might be a bit snug, but they'll come out. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Use your brake caliper compressor tool to carefully push the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Now, insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Finally, reattach the brake caliper and securely tighten all the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Mini Cooper back to the ground. Before driving, get inside and pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This helps seat the new pads against the rotors. Then, take your car for a cautious test drive in a safe area to ensure the brakes are functioning perfectly and feel responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.